Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Cadillac XT5 with its key fob. First, make sure your key fob has a good battery and that your vehicle is in park or neutral. You also need to be within a reasonable distance of your XT5 for the remote start to work effectively. This ensures a smooth and successful start every time. To begin the remote start process, first press the lock button on your key fob. Immediately after, press and hold the remote start button. This button often has a circular arrow symbol. Continue holding it down until you see your Cadillac XT5 exterior turn signals flash, indicating the engine has successfully started remotely. Once your XT5 is remotely started, you can unlock the doors using your key fob as usual. Make sure to enter the vehicle within 10 minutes of the remote start, as it will automatically shut off after that time. To fully engage the engine and drive, simply press the brake pedal and then push the engine start button. Keep in mind that your Cadillac XT5 remote start will run for 10 minutes before automatically shutting off. If you need more time, you can extend the duration once by repeating the remote start steps while the engine is still running, giving you a total of 20 minutes. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.